Today we will talk about 10 fascinating facts about Anne Boleyn, a life of triumph and tragedy. 1. Uncertain birth date. Anne Boleyn's exact birth date remains a mystery. Historians typically agree she was born between 1501 and 1507, with many favoring 1501. This uncertainty complicates our understanding of her age during key events in her life. 2. Noble heritage. As the daughter of Thomas Boleyn and Elizabeth Howard, Anne was born into a powerful noble family. Her connections to the aristocracy, including ties to the Dukes of Norfolk, provided her with the pedigree necessary to navigate the complexities of the royal court. 3. European education. Anne spent several formative years at courts in the Netherlands and France. This experience helped her develop impressive language skills, musical talents, and polished courtly manners, distinguishing her when she returned to England. 4. Courtier to Queen Catherine. After returning to England around 1521, Anne joined the household of Queen Catherine of Aragon. With her charm and intelligence, she quickly became a favored figure at court, drawing admiration and envy in equal measure. 5. Catalyst for change. Anne's relationship with King Henry VIII was transformative not only for her life, but for the entire nation. Her refusal to be a mere mistress prompted Henry to seek an annulment from Catherine, leading to the English Reformation and the establishment of the Church of England. 6. Rapid queenship. In a dramatic turn of events, Anne married Henry in secret in 1532, and they had a public wedding the following year. She was crowned queen on June 1st, 1533, marking one of the swiftest ascents to the throne in English history. 7. Mother of Elizabeth. Anne gave birth to her daughter Elizabeth on September 7th, 1533. Although she did not produce a male heir, Elizabeth would go on to become one of England's greatest monarchs, shaping the nation's future for decades. 8. Promoting reform. As queen, Anne was an advocate for reformist ideas. She supported the translation of the Bible into English and patronized new literature, playing a significant role in the cultural shift during the English Reformation. 9. Controversial downfall. In 1536, Anne was arrested on charges of adultery, incest, and treason, claims modern historians widely consider fabricated. She was tried and executed on May 19, 1536, marking a tragic end to her life. 10. Enduring legacy. Despite her execution, Anne Boleyn remains a pivotal figure in history and popular culture. Her life story has inspired countless scholarly works, novels, films, and operas, ensuring her complex legacy continues to provoke interest and debate centuries later. Subscribe, like, and we will end this video here. Thanks for watching with us.